What's up, guys? I'm gonna be doing a bike check of my bike. It's a premium Aurora frame, Dan Foley's signature frame. I'm gonna start out in the front. I've got Shadow Voltus bars with Odyssey par ends and Shadow Conspiracy grips. I've got a stock stem. I've got Fit Blade 2 forks laced to a Odyssey Vendero 2 front hub, and that's laced to a Odyssey Hazard Light rim in black, obviously, and all that's rolling on a Demolition Momentum 2.25 in the front. Alright, let's go to the middle. In the middle of my bike, I lock in a Demolition Market seat, and that's on a Animal wedge post in green. I got it in green because it's cheapest color. Spray paint black eventually. Okay, I've got a Colt chain, Colt half link, and a Tree SD Light sprocket, 4130 chromoly. That's true right there. And a profile down bracket. I've got profile GDH cranks. I have one in black and one in chrome. And my pedals are premium slim pedals. They're pretty good. They're holding up. Okay, let's move to the back. In the back, I got an Animal GLH 1.95. And that's laced to a premium hub. Yeah, it's just a stock hub. Probably going to be getting the premium stinger soon. And that's all tied together with the Odyssey right in the back. Yep, so this is my bike.